Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Motivation by Game. In this video we'll learn how to make nice videos and use camera in replays. In the beginning I want to say thanks for your comments guys, for your likes and subscribes. So let's start. To make nice videos you really need some practice with replays. So now I will show you how to use it. In our example we'll play Cars vs Massive Speed Bump in BeamNG Drive game. First you check your options: Controls, Replay, Start-Stop Recording is Alt+R button, and Replay Back is down arrow button. Move to the game and make our first replay. Press Alt+R buttons and play game. Press Alt+R button to stop record. And we go to replay mode. Press Shift+C buttons and we switch to free camera mode. Use WASD buttons for control and hold Shift button to move fast. Next we choose a good location for nice shoots to make nice video records. Then we can choose any good location and make records of our cars. You can stay at one location or you can move to make nice video records. Also we can use our basic camera view number 2, number 3 and number 4 button for some cinematic replays. Sometimes it can be very nice. At the end, stop replays and start to edit our video. And we can see now what video we can get as a result. If you like play BeamNG Drive game and you still don't know how to make any popular map, just write in the comments under this video and we will make it with you in next videos. Thank you for watching guys, see you later.